या पत्रकार परिषदेक गोवा AICCचे गोयचे इंचार्ज श्री दिनेश रावजी, आमचे CLPचे लीडर बाब दिगंबर कामत, आमचे GBCC वाइस प्रेसिडेंट बाब आल्तीन गोम्स, आमचे साउथ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्टचे अध्यक्ष बाब जो डायस, आमचे लीडर बाब एल्विस गोम्स, आमचे युथाचे प्रेसिडेंट बाब वरद मार्दोळकर. सो ह्या प्रेस कॉन्फरन्साक सुरवात आमचे इंचार्ज दिनेश बाब करतले. त्याच्या नंतर हांव मातसो मिडियाक ब्रीफ करतलो, वरद ब्रीफ करतले आणि आमचे दिगंबर बाब प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स कंक्लूड करतले आणि त्याच्या नंतर तुमचे जे प्रश्न आसात त्याचे उत्तर दिवपाक आमी ओवर टू दिनेश.
Thank you, Girishji, all the leaders who are attending the press conference today, the Digambarji and all the other leaders who have just been introduced by Girishji, and all my dear press friends of Goa. As you very well know, recently we had a meeting in Delhi with our Congress leader, Shri Rahul Gandhi ji, and we had a long deliberation about the situation in Goa, the political situation and the election preparedness. And Shri Rahul Gandhi ji has given his inputs, his guidance to us, and he's told us to take the issues of the people of Goa. There are many issues that are affecting the livelihood of the Goan people, the culture of the Goan people, because he knows about Goa very well and he gets regular inputs about what's happening in Goa. So he was very clear that Congress has always tried to maintain the cultural identity of each and every state in this country. We have believed in unity and diversity, and we believe in respecting everyone's culture, everyone's language, everyone's habits, and Goa being a very special and unique state in India. And that has we Congress people have to see that uniqueness is maintained, and the wishes of the people, that should be respected. So there are many issues which are concerning the Goan people today. The linear projects, the development works, the maladministration, all those things. He has told us to evolve a good campaign, a clean campaign, a good narrative, and to work with unity and to go ahead. So it was a very good discussion that we had. And after Shri P. Chidambaram ji also has now been appointed as the senior observer also, we have been touring the state, going to all the blocks, speaking to our party workers, strengthening our block Congress committees. Already most of the block Congress committees have been, presidents have been appointed, and most of the block Congress committees will be shortly announced. The district Congress committees also will be shortly announced, and also the Pradesh Congress committee also, which needs to be reconstituted, will be shortly reconstituted. So all new office bearers, because once a new president is made, automatically a new committee has to come. What I mean is, Shri Girish Chodankar ji was continued as a GPCC president because he had submitted his resignation. The Congress party took an official decision that he continues as the Congress president of the state, and so we will have to constitute a new committee. So, and along with Mr. Alex Sequeira, who is now the working president, so Girish ji and Alex Sequeira ji will reconstitute the Pradesh Congress committee also. And in the meanwhile, we have appointed our election committees. We have appointed a coordination committee, the manifesto committee, the campaign committee, the finance committee, and all these committees are gearing up. The campaign committee has informally met a few times, and officially they will be working out the entire campaign strategy for the Congress and what are the issues that people of Goa is affecting their lives, and that campaign will be decided by the campaign committee. The manifesto committee headed by Mr. Khara and Mr. Elvis Gomes is here, who is also the co-chairperson. They will be going around Goa, meeting with all various stakeholders, with various associations, with individuals, with political intellectuals, and across all sections of society, and creating a people's manifesto. What do the people want and what we can deliver? There's always a gap there. People's aspirations are always very high, but what is it that the government can actually deliver? It has to be balanced. So simply promising the moon and not being able to deliver is of no use. Modi ji promised lots of money in our bank accounts. Modi ji promised 2 crore jobs a year. Similarly, Goa, the BJP has promised many things which are not delivered. So whatever we say, we should be able to deliver. At least, if not all, 90% of the promise should be met. That should be the way that we have to take things forward, and that's what Congress Party is going to do. So these are the broad outlines of what we will be doing in the next 1-2 months. The campaign, the manifesto, the restructuring of the Congress Party, going down to the grassroots level, strengthening the blocks, and taking the opinions of the bloc about who is the prospective candidate, who is a good candidate, what are their feelings. Taking all that into account, we will be also finalizing our candidates who will be contesting the elections. So that is the broad outlook for the Congress Party. Second thing I would like to comment upon, I think before you ask the question, ultimately you will definitely ask me the question. I thought instead of you asking me the question, let me only talk about it. About the resignation of Mr. Luis Fellerio. Now, I heard his press conference and I was actually quite surprised because he claimed that he had done tapasya for 20 days or 30 days, I don't know, thinking what he has to decide. So after doing tapasya, I thought there should have been a very, very clear statement from him about what made him do this, what are his intentions, and what is his exact decision. From what I heard, I could not see any clarity in what he was saying. So see, sometimes if you are speaking the truth, it does not require too much of thought. You can say it very clearly, within 5 minutes you can tell people what you're thinking. But when you're being deceptive, then you have to create a story. You have to create one fiction, that these are the reasons, this is my, my thought process. Truth is very simple. Deception is not simple. And all I could see today was deception. There was no truth coming out from his heart. Because he spoke about the movement, spoke about Goa, he spoke about unifying, bringing all the Congresses back together. I don't know from where he is getting that strength to do all those things. Congress, and he himself has said Congress has not treated him badly. He is an MLA in the Congress. He is the coordination committee chairman. So what makes him feel that at this juncture that I need a different platform? When Goan issues have been going on for the last 5 years, he has been in the opposition. There have been movements. He is saying he wants to start a movement. Aren't there many movements in Goa already? Has he been in the forefront of any of those movements? Has he been contributing? I think GPCC president and other leaders will also say on those things. So I don't want to take a personal attack on it. But what I'm trying to say is, sometimes when you're retiring, you take a VRS scheme. This could be a VRS scheme also. I don't know. Because when you feel that now there is nothing left for me here, let me take something and go. So that also could be a possibility. So all these things looked a very, I was not convinced by anything he was saying. It was only pure, I would say, motivation was there. I could not see any actual respect for the Goan culture, respect for the Goan state, and I could not see anything that he really meant what he was saying. Because if he wants to strengthen secular forces, if he wants to bring everyone together, he should work from within the Congress. Congress has given him every platform. He's been chief minister, he's been MLA, he's been AICC general secretary, he's now the coordination committee chairman. He's got all the platforms. Which other bigger platform can he get if he wants to take on the BJP? So I am amazed at his statements, and I would say that it's very unfortunate. It's very sad that people at the fag end of their careers take these kind of decisions. And I'm very disappointed in what he has said. And I would only wish him the best of luck for whatever he wants to do in the future days. So these are my comments about what has happened today. And I think Girish ji will say a few things, and then Digambar ji also will say. Then you can ask me any questions afterwards. I will reply. Okay, thank you.
गोवा प्रदेश काँग्रेस कमिटी जेन्ना एक त्यांचो परिवाराचो एक सिनियर सदस्य सडनली पार्टीचो राजीनामा दिवन जेन्ना पार्टीक गरज आसा आनी जेन्ना वेगळे वेगळे स्तरांतले लोक वेगळे वेगळे थरांतले लोक काँग्रेस पक्षान जॉइन जातात काँग्रेस पक्ष स्ट्रेंथन करपाक आणि ह्या वेळार लुइजीन फालेरोन जी डिसिजन घेतली ती डिसिजन म्हणजे गोंया खातीर आणि काँग्रेस पक्षा खातीर खूप दुखदायक आसा जेन्ना एंटायर कॅडर आणि गोंयचे सगळे एक्टिविस्ट गोंयकार सगळे एक जाता गोवा सेव्ह करपाक तेन्ना लुइजीन फालेर एक वेगळे कितें तरी दिशेन वचपाचो प्रयत्न करता हे आयज सगळ्यांक दिसून येयलें तेजे खूब दुख्ख जाता गोवा प्रदेश काँग्रेस कमिटी तांकां तांच्या रिटायरमेंट प्लॅन जो ताणें नेगोशिएट केला त्या रिटायरमेंट प्लॅनाक तांकां वी विश हिम वेल आमकां कांय दुख्ख नाशिल्लें की लुइजीन फालेरान हो रिटायरमेंट प्लॅन नेगोशिएट करून घेतलो पूण तो जर एक 4 म्हयन्यांनी नंतर घेतलेलो जावं एक 2 वर्सां पयलीं घेतलेलो 1 वर्स पयलीं घेतलेलो एब्सोल्युटली कांय प्रॉब्लेम नाशिल्लें गोंयकारांकूय प्रॉब्लेम नाशिल्लें काँग्रेस पक्षाकूय प्रॉब्लेम नाशिल्लें तूं सगळ्या वेगवेगळी पदां तूं घेता जेन्ना तूं हल्लो गोंयांक तेन्ना काँग्रेस पक्षान तुका राष्ट्रीय स्तरार व्हेलो जनरल सेक्रेटरी केलो 5 राज्याचे मुख्यमंत्री तूच सांगतालो ती आपल्या अंडर काम करतात 5 CLP लिडर अंडर काम करतात असो तुका 2 पावटी जनरल सेक्रेटरीचं पद दिलें 2 पावटी तुवें मुख्यमंत्री पद भोगलें काँग्रेस पक्षाचे वेगळी वेगळी पोझिशन्स तुवें घेतली आनी जेन्ना गोंयकारांक तुजी गरज आशिल्ली काँग्रेस पक्षा परस आयज गोंयकारांक दिसतालें की हो सरकार वचपाक जाय आनी काँग्रेस हो पर्याय आनी काँग्रेस हो पर्याय म्हणून स्टॅब्लिश जाल्लो आयज तो प्रूव्ह जाल्लो आसा की प्रत्येक मतदारसंघात प्रत्येक वेगवेगळे थोडे काँग्रेस पक्षाच्या थोडे इलेक्शनूय कॉन्टेस्ट करपाक येतात थोडे बेश्टे एक्टिविस्ट येतात स्पोर्ट्स फॅटर्निटी येतात सगळे तरेचे लोक येतात आनी काँग्रेस सो ह्या वेळार गोंयच्या लोकांक धोको दिवप आनी गोंयच्या लोकांक दोगो दिवप म्हाका दिसता गोंयचे लोक लुइजीन फालेराक केन्नाच माफ करचे ना काँग्रेस पक्ष हांव वेगळोच दवरता कारण तुका जर कितें तुका रिटायरमेंट प्लॅन नाशिल्लो तुका जर राज्यसभेक वचपाक जाय आशिल्लें जावं आनी कितें आशिल्लें जें आयकोंक येता तूं नेगोशिएट कर आशिल्लो तो इलेक्शन सुद्दां राव आशिल्लो म्हणजे हेजे वयल्यान कळटा जशें आमच्या दिनेश बाबान सांगलें की तेजेर क्लॅरिटी ना ही वॉज कंप्लिटली कन्फ्यूज ही वॉज नॉट नोईंग वीच सायड वीच डायरेक्शन ही वॉज गोईंग in the today's press conference. So it looks like it was completely deliberate and intentional at the behest of somebody. I know that he was negotiating for his retirement plan. पण जेन्ना सगळे लोक गोंयचे उलयतात गोंयची जनता उलयता की काँग्रेस सरकार फॉर्म करता तेन्ना तूं हो एक आड मार्ग हाडटा काँग्रेसीक आडोवपाक आनी तरी सुद्दां सांग तूं क्लेम करता दॅट यू आर अ काँग्रेसमॅन यू आर नॉट रिजायन फ्रॉम काँग्रेस I don't know whom you are trying to fool. You have already resigned, your resignation is here. you have resigned from primary member here. You said you have already returned to the AICC, and again you are trying to fool the people of Goa, saying that still you are a congressman and there are many congresses. We don't understand. People are not so fool. You try to fool the people of Goa. It doesn't mean that you can fool people of Goa all the time, again and again, by changing all this. You have spoken about various agitations. We have invited you for various agitations. आमचे म्हादयचे एज्युकेशनाक आम्ही दिल्ली वचून प्रोटेस्ट केलो जंतर मंतराचेर. वेगळे वेगळे प्रोटेस्ट केले. वरद तुमकां सांगतलो कशे कशे प्रोटेस्ट केले. एक प्रोटेस्टाक तो येयलो ना. दिल्ली सुद्धा प्रोटेस्टाक येयलो ना. नाव ही वॉन्ट्स टू लीड. तू कोणाक फटयता? तू स्वता फटय. लोकांक फटयनाका. गोंयकार फटोवपाक शकना. आम्ही इतले एज्युकेशन केली. थ्री लिनियर प्रोजेक्ट रिजेक्ट करपाक गेले. आमचे जेन्ना प्रोजेक्ट थंय गेले, इवन यूथ काँग्रेस प्रोजेक्ट नावेलीच्यान ती डबल लायन तो तांकां भुरग्यांक फोन मारून तापोवपाक लागलो, तुमकां हांगा कोण धाडल्या काय म्हणून, तुमी हांगा कित्याक प्रोटेस्ट करपाक आयल्या काय म्हणून. सो जेन्ना जेन्ना प्रोटेस्टाक तो स्वता पार्टिसिपेट जालो ना, आमकांय केन्ना एनकरेज केलें ना. काँग्रेस पक्ष जिल्हा पंचायत इलेक्शनाक 2 सीट ताचे मतदारसंघात हेणी सिलेक्ट केले. दोन्ही सिटांतले 21 सीट जिखून हाडपाक शकलो ना. आमची ब्लॉक कमिटी कॉन्स्टिट्यूट केली ना नावेली मतदारसंघात. यूथ कमिटी ना, महिला काँग्रेस कमिटी ना. आम्ही एक सिनियर लीडर म्हणून जस्ट ताका रिमाइंड करताले. सो हे सगळे परिस्थितीतून हें गेले आनी आयज तूं मुवमेंट लीड करपाक सोदता. म्हणजे तूं कोणाक फटयता हें कांय ना. सो तांकां आमी बेस्ट विशीस दिता आसतना तूं सदांच सांगतालो की आपूण न्यू जनरेशन यंग लिडर्स प्रमोट करता म्हणून. सो ताका रिमाइंड करता आमी. I know you have taken the retirement plan, but stick to what you have spoken. Now give away everything that you have negotiated to the younger generation. To promote कर young generation. जय खंय जॉइन जाता, जय खंय वयता, younger जनरेशनान तुका कितें ऑफर केला तें सुद्धा यंग जे टीम आयज तुजे बरोबर 2 जाण गेल्या एक टीम, तूं तांकां सुद्धा दी, पूण यंग टिमा प्रमोट कर. तुका आम्ही बेस्ट विशेस दिता आसतना ह्या तुम्ही हे मागता तुमचे कडेन. त्याचबरोबर त्याचो जो टायमिंग आशिल्लो आनी हे आसा तो टायमिंग सगळ्या गोंयकारांक आयज दुबाव येयल्लो आसा. म्हणजे तुजें इंटेन्शन कितें आसा म्हणजे काँग्रेस सत्ता करता आनी काँग्रेस सत्तेक वयता ती हाडोवपाचो तूं प्रयत्न करता. ही मेसेज आयज गोंयभर गेल्ली आसा. पूण गोंयकार पिशे ना. गोंयकारांक हेजे पयलीं बीजेपीन वेगळे वेगळे तरेचे लोक हाडले, दिल्लीच्यो पार्टी हाडल्यो. जेन्ना ते साध्य जालें ना हें कळ्ळें की गोंयकार म्हणटा ते एक वेगळे विचाराचे. इमोशनल जाता खरें, पूण इमोशनल जावन त्या लोकांक कळटा की लुईझीन फालेराक काँग्रेस पक्षान कितें दिलां आनी लुईझीन फालेरान काँग्रेस पक्षाक आनी गोंयांक परत कितें दिलां हें गोंयच्या मुखार आसा. कशें करून तेगे पॉलिटिकल करियर स्टार्ट जालें तेन्ना लुईझीन फालेर कितें आशिल्लो आनी आयज लुईझीन फालेर कितें आसा हे गोंयचे लोकांक कोण सांगचे पडना. गोंयचे लोक हे आसतले आनी आमकां खात्री आसा तूं खंयच्यो काँग्रेस पक्ष तूं गोंयांत हाडून लोकांक पिशी करपाक सोदनाका. गोंयकार लोक पिशी जावचे ना. गोंयकारांनी ठरयल्लें आसा, निर्णय घेतलेलो आसा की ह्या फावटी काँग्रेस पक्षाक सत्तेर हाडटले. तितूंत लुईझीन फालेर आनी लुईझना सारखे आनीकूय कितले जर गेले आनी लोकांक पिशी केले की काँग्रेस पक्ष आपूण आसा म्हणून लोक पिशे जावचे ना. ही मेसेज आयज आमी लुईझीन फालेराक तशेंच जे लोकांक तो पिशे करपाक सोदता लोक पिशे जावचे ना तांकां क्लियर दितात आमी की तुमी काँग्रेस पक्षाक सत्तेपासून कोणूच हाडोवपाक शकपा ना. ही गॅरंटी गोंयच्या लोकां वतीन आमी तुमकां आयज दिवपाक सोदता. आनी गोंयच्या लोकांक परत आमी सांगपाक सोदता अशें कितलेय येवं, अशें कोणूय येवं, कोणूय काँग्रेस करूं. हेचे पयलीं खूब पार्टी येयल्यो आनी काँग्रेस म्हणून क्लेम केल्यो. तांकां गोंयकारान तांचो जागो दाखयल्लो आसा. हांव नांव घेवपाक सोदना. अश्यो 4 फावटी पार्टी वेगळ्यो वेगळ्यो गोंयकारांनी केल्यो काँग्रेसचें नांव यूज करून. पूण गोंयकारान एकूच पार्टी काँग्रेसची चूज केली आनी एकूच पार्टी गोंयकार सदांच रावले, ती म्हणजे इंडियन नॅशनल काँग्रेस. नोबडी कॅन सबस्टिट्यूट इंडियन नॅशनल काँग्रेस इन गोवा. दिस इज लाऊड अँड क्लियर. आनी काँग्रेस आयडियोलॉजी अँड गोवा आयडियोलॉजी इज वन. गोंयचे आमचे कल्चर आमचे सगळे जे आसा ते आमी आत्मसात केल्ले आसा. आमकां कोणे तरी कलकत्ता साकून येवन आमकां सांगपाची गरज ना गोंयकारांक कितें जाय, गोंयकार कितें करता. गोंयकार समर्थ आसात. गोंयांत बीजेपी डिफीट करपाक गोंयकार सक्षम आसात. बीजेपी पक्ष गोंयांत काँग्रेसीक डिफीट करपाक शकता हे सगळं इतिहास काढून पळयल्लो आसा. गोंयकार आणि काँग्रेस पक्ष सक्षम आसा बीजेपी घडोवपाक. हांगा बाकीचे खंयच्या रुपान तुम्ही वेगळे वेगळे हाडून लोकांक घुसपोवपाचे प्रयत्न करनाका. ही शिटकावणी आमी तुमकां दितात आणि गोंयकारांक घुसपोवपाचे प्रयत्न करनाका. देव बरें.
नमस्कार. आज जी लुईझीन बाबान प्रेस एड्रेस केली आणि ह्या प्रेसान जे लुईझीन बाबान मुद्दे उठयले ते म्हणल्यार एक मुवमेंट करपाचो, चळवळ उबारपाची, गोंयच्या विरोधात जे काही प्रश्न ताणें उपस्थित केले ह्या प्रश्ना विरोधात एक लढो उबारपाचो तेणें आज भाष्य केले. पूण आज प्रत्यक्षात हांव खरें उलोवपा नाशिल्लो, पूण ही प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स जेन्ना हांवें आयकली म्हाका खंय तरी दिसलें की म्हाका हेजेर आवाज उठोवपाची गरज आसा. की जेन्ना काँग्रेस पक्षान हे मुद्दे घेतलेले, फॉर एक्झाम्पल म्हादय, म्हाका दिसता म्हादयचो इश्यू काँग्रेस पक्ष सोडून आनी कोणेच हो मुद्दो घेवन नाशिल्लो. आनी खास करून युवा काँग्रेसीन जो मुवमेंट केल्लो, जावं त्या प्रकाश जावडेकराक इफीच्या इनॉग्रेशनाक थंय काळे बावटे दाखोवपाचे, जावं प्रकाश जावडेकराक मॅरियट्सान थंय विरोध करपाचो, आनी हेका लागून आमी अरेस्ट पसून जाले. एक रात जेलीन पसून आमी रातचे उरले. दिल्ली पसून वचून आमी एजिटेशन केले, राजभवनाचेर एक मोर्चा गेले. पूण हे जेन्ना मोर्चा आमी केल्ले, ही एजिटेशनां जेन्ना आमी केली, एक दीस पसून लुईझीन बाब ह्या एजिटेशनात पार्टिसिपेट जावना. प्रत्यक्षात एक सिनियर लीडर म्हणून आमी अपेक्षा करताले की लुईझीन बाबाक जर इतकी कळकळ आशिल्ली तो ह्या एजिटेशनात पार्टिसिपेट जातलो आशिल्लो, आमकां खंय तरी तेंको दितलो आशिल्लो, कित्याक हे मुद्दे गोंयकारांचे मुद्दे आशिल्ले. आनी नेमके आज त्या मुद्द्याचेर तेणें भाश्य केल्लें आसा. कोल एजिटेशन जालें आतां अध्यक्षान आमचे नमूद केल्लें आसा. डबल ट्रॅकिंगाचे जेन्ना आमी काँग्रेस पार्टीन जेन्ना आमी एजिटेशन चालू केलें, आमी नावेली वचून आमी व्हडलो प्रोटेस्ट केल्लो. दवर्ले गेल्ले आमी, दवर्ले वचून जेन्ना प्रोटेस्ट केल्लो, होच लुईझीन बाब आमकां सांगपी आनी आमकां फोन करून वयर सकल करून काडपी की आपल्याक सांगनासतना तुमी थंय गेलेच कशें काय म्हणून. आनी हांव सांगता कित्याक हें एजिटेशन यूथ काँग्रेसीन लीड केल्लें. जेन्ना आमी थंय वचून लीड केल्लें एजिटेशन, रातभर आमी थंय वचून रातचे गेल्ले, सकाळीं उठून घरा आयल्या, सकाळीं उठून फोन करून आमकां वयर सकल करून काडले की आपल्याक सांगनासतना तुमी थंय गेले कशें. आज होच मनीस हे मुद्दे उठयता आनी ह्या मुद्द्या वयल्यान मुवमेंट करपाची भाशा करता. एम्प्लॉयमेंट, प्रायस रायज हेय मुद्दे आसा. आमी हांगा पयर आमकां म्हयनो जावना अजून आमी लाठी चार्ज केलो आमचेर, आमकां फोडून काडले. एक लुईझीन बाबा कडल्यान अपेक्षा आशिल्ली काँग्रेसचो एक सिनियर लीडर म्हणून की खंय तरी बाबा आमकां फोन करून आमची विचारपूस करतलो म्हणून की बाबा कितें जालें. पूण एक पसून आमकां फोन करूना. इतके आमकां अरेस्ट जाले इतके फावट, थंय पसून केन्ना ताणें भाश्य केलें ना. कोविड क्रायसिसाक तुमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा की युथ काँग्रेसीन सोडून आनी खंयच्याच पक्षान किंवा खंयच्याच ऑर्गनायझेशनान कोविड क्रायसिसान काम करनाशिल्लें. पूण जेन्ना आमी हो मुवमेंट चालू केलो, लोकांक मदत करपाक, जावं जीएमसीन जावं लोकांच्या घरा व्हरून आमी सिलिंडर पायले, आमी लुईझीन बाबा कडेन गेल्ले आमकां मदत कर. पूण एक आमकां एंटरटेन तरी करपाक जाय आशिल्लें. आज हें उलयन दिसता. इतके दीस ते आमचे भितर दवरलेले. आज जे पद्दतीन आज लुईझीन बाब ह्या गोष्टींचेर मुवमेंट करपाचो आज उलयता, चळवळ उबारपाची उलयता, आनी एक खंय तरी काँग्रेस पक्षांतल्यान रिजायन जावन दुसऱ्या प्लॅटफॉर्मा वयल्यान तो जेन्ना करपाक सोदता, म्हणून म्हाका सांगीन दिसता की जेन्ना काँग्रेस पक्षान तूं स्वता आशिल्लो, तूं एक सिनियर लीडर म्हणून आमी तुका खंय तरी पळयताले, तेन्ना तुज्या पक्षा खातीर कितें कंट्रिब्युशन आशिल्लें. खास करून हांव युथ काँग्रेसच्या वतीन उलयता, कित्याक हे सगळी जेन्ना एजिटेशनां युथ काँग्रेसीन जेन्ना लीड केल्ली, आमकां खंयच ह्या मनशान मदत केली ना. मोजके आमचे सिनियर लीडर आशिल्ले, जे लीडर आमचे बरोबर फॉर्मली उबे रावले. हो इतकोच फॅक्ट म्हाका आज तुमच्या मुखार मांडपा आशिल्लो, तो हांवें मांडलो. देव बरें.
Mr. Gundurao.
No, one minute.
I'm not speaking still, my goodness.
I'm doing the concluding remarks.
Yeah, plus your room is so packed with people. Why don't you ask
No
those
place
who
to
are not
sit.
in the media to go out?
In fact, there are quite a few people are here who just want to go in and out, through and through.
media. So just keep the people who are not media outside.
मातशें आमच्या ऑफिस बेरार कोणी आसलें जाल्यार मातशें our apologies. There was small space here.
आज काँग्रेस लेजिस्लेचर पार्टीचो म्हजो एक वांगडी ताणें पक्षाचो आज राजिनामो दिला. एज इट इज 2019 जुलय म्हयन्यात काँग्रेसची स्ट्रेंथ 5 आमदारांची आशिल्ली. ज्या वेळाचेर पक्षान म्हजेर लिडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन CLP लिडर जावपाची जबाबदारी दिली. गेल्ल्या 2 वर्सांत आमी पिपल्स वॉयस जावन असेंब्लीत काम केलें. सगळे इश्यू आमी असेंब्लीत उठयताले. सगळ्या ऑपोजिशनाक बरोबर घेवन एक युनायटेड ऑपोजिशन आमी विधानसभेत प्रेजेंट केलें. तातूंतल्यान आमी खूब फाटी गव्हर्मेंटाक कॉर्नर करपाक शकले. गव्हर्मेंटाचेर नामुष्कीची परिस्थिती आसली. आणि आज जेन्ना आमी फायनल स्टेजीचेर आसा इलेक्शनाचेर, म्हणजे आज जेन्ना आमी जनतेचो कौल मागपाक वचपाचे आसा, आमचे परफॉर्मन्स प्रजेन पळयलां. डे टू डे बेसिसाचेर असेंब्ली चलता तेन्नाय प्रजेन पळयलां. आनी आज वता तेन्ना प्रजा आमकां सदांच सांगता तुमी बरे प्रश्न काडले, बरे आवाज उठयलो असेंब्ली भितर, गव्हर्मेंटाक सामकें नाका तशें अशें करून सोडलें. आनी आज जेन्ना आमी लोकांच्या मुखार एक्चुअल वचपाचे आसात इलेक्शना खातीर, त्या वेळाचेर आमचो एक कलीग बाब रिजायन जावन भायर सरता ही अत्यंत दुख्खाची गजाल अशी हांव मानता. आनी ताणें आज म्हणलांय की आपूण काँग्रेसीच्या फॅमिली भितर आसतलो अशें म्हणून. हांव नकळो कितें ताचें रेजिग्नेशन आसा इज रिजायनींग फ्रॉम प्रायमरी मेंबरशीप ऑफ द पार्टी. तरी आसतना हांव गोंयच्या प्रजेक आश्वासन दिलां की म्हजो रोल जसो पयलीं आशिल्लो तसोच सगळ्यांक युनायट करून विधानसभेत लोकांचो आवाज म्हणून आमी उठयतले. आनी लोकांक जें कितें जाय तें मागणें आमी विधानसभेत फोर्सफुली गव्हर्मेंटा कडल्यान मागून घेवपा खातीर प्रयत्न करतले. गरज पडल्यार एजिटेशनय करतले असेंब्ली भितर आनी खूब फाटी आमी करून दाखयल्लें आसा.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Time and again, गिरीश तुम्ही इतले लुइजिनान हें केलें तें केलें करूंक ना. इवन वरदान म्हणलें वाय नाव इतले तें तुमी कित्याक सांगूंक ना तर हें सगळें. पीपल शूड हॅव बीन नोन अबाउट ऑल दीस थिंग्स नो. आतां तो सोडून गेला पळय तेन्ना सांगप. सो दॅट इज वन थिंग. सो दीस इज द थिंग्स विथ देम. मोस्ट ऑफ द टायम वी हॅव नॉट सीन रवी नायक क्रिटिसायझींग यू ओ ते रिजिनाल्ड आसा आनीक आसा तेणीन अशें कितें करूंक ना तें सांगचें. आनी मागीर फाल्यां तें सोडून गेल्यार तेन्नाच सांगतले तुमी. सो यू ऑल आर कन्फ्युजींग पीपल. वॉट यू ऑल आर ट्रायंग टू टेल?
So, do you have any more questions?
No, I have finished.
So you won't be asking any more questions.
Is there any problem?
No, I'm asking you. We finish all your
Yeah.
questions. Have you more questions?
Later, sir.
No, you finish your questions.
I finished.
Okay. Now, as Congress party is a very democratic party, we have a democratic setup, and Congress is a parivar. Congress is a family. In the family, आम्ही जेन्ना आमचे कितें तरी भितरले आसतात ते आमी भितरले हेचेर आमचो पार्टी प्लॅटफॉर्म जो आसता, आमचे इंचार्ज आसा त्यांच्या नजरे मुखार आमी प्रत्येक टायम टू टायम हाडल्यात. कोण काम करताले, कोण एजिटेशना येताले, कोण एजिटेशना येनाशिल्ले, कोण कितें करताले हें प्लॅटफॉर्मार साकून लोकांक सांगपाचें नासता केन्ना. तुगेल्या फॅमिलीक सुद्दां कितें डिस्प्यूट कितें जालें जाल्यार तुमी प्रेसार कोण सांगचें ना. सो आमचे हे इंटरनल मॅटर्स आनी ते आमी इंटरनल प्लॅटफॉर्माक आमी डिस्कस केला आणि त्यांच्या नजरे मुखार हाडला. लिडरशिपीनी तेंचे कडेन योग्य टायम उलयल्या. जेन्ना जेन्ना कितें जाय तें उलयल्लें आसा. सो हो बेसिकली इंटरनल मॅटर आसता, पार्टी भितरलो आसना. जेन्ना पक्ष पार्टींतलो सोडून वयता त्या टायमार आमी जे तो क्लेम करता आयज एज्युटेशन हें करतलो म्हणून, जेन्ना एज्युटेशन ऑलरेडी जाल्ली आसा ही सगळी, तेन्ना तो पार्टिसिपेट जालो ना थंय. ती आमकां लोकां मुखार नजरे हाडून घेवपाची गरज आसा. नाल्यार लोकांची कितें आसता, मेमरी शॉर्ट आसता. लोक विसरले तो आशिल्लो काय ना तो लोक विसरलेले आसा. सो आयज लोकांक तुमचे मार्फत कळ्ळें की हो खंयच्याच एज्युटेशनाक केन्नाच पार्टिसिपेट जालो ना. ही सगळी एज्युटेशन तो आयज सांगता, ही सगळी एज्युटेशन आमी प्रोटेस्ट सगळे हेजेर केल्ली आसा. येस.
Mr. How do you react to TMC's entry into Goa? Is it a threat to Congress party?
See, first of all, I do not know the real reason, real intention of the TMC coming to Goa. whether they have actually come, though Mr. Derek O'Brien recently has said that they will be contesting or they are going to be here. But the timing, their approach, I think it's a lot of questions have to be answered. Because what are they coming here to do? Who are they coming here to help? What is their true agenda? It still has to be revealed. I do not know. Because if TMC or any political party wants to come into any state, nobody comes 3-4 months before election and says, I want to come in. Because the leader of the TMC has got her own respectability. And we all have admiration for her. But this model that is being tried to be implemented here in Goa doesn't seem to be a TMC model. This seems more like the Modi-Amit Shah model. So, I'm still confused about what is the true agenda and intention of the TMC. So, let's give it some more time and then I'll give you a more proper response once we come to know exactly what they're up to.
Is the agenda to divide votes?
That's what I'm trying to tell you, I'm confused. On one side they say we want to take on Mr. Modi, we want to take on BJP. And here their actions don't seem to back up what they have been speaking. So I think I would rather wait for some more time and then decide exactly what they are planning, exactly what they're doing, and try to get more information on this.
There was some attempt to stop Louisine from crossing over from Sonia Gandhi's side, talking to Mamata Banerjee. What happened to that? What did Mamata say?
No. So these are all things that I do not know about. I cannot make comments about what I don't know about. So I would not want to make any comments on this. As far as Louisine going, this has been the story for the last, rumors have been floating for the last 15 days. And those rumors have come true. I believe that Mr. Louisine is a true congressman and he would not leave. Because Congress has given him everything. What Louisine has done for Congress and what Congress has done for Louisine, it's a big, we can easily answer that. How much he has benefited and how much he has grown in the Congress party. He's been chief minister, he's been everything. So I never thought that after benefiting, after attaining so much of name, fame in the Congress party, at this juncture, Mr. Louisine will leave. But very unfortunate, very sad that he has done this. And I didn't expect a man of his stature to do these kind of petty and selfish things.
Mr. Dinesh Rao, was this deal brokered through a media house between Mr.
See, I don't want to
and
speculate
TMC?
over here because unnecessarily, unless I have concrete proof, I shouldn't be talking. But there are a lot of rumors, and Goa is full of rumors. And I think many of the rumors can be true also.
So are you now searching for new face in Navili?
Of course, I mean, actually we've had many people wanting to contest in Navili. But because Mr. Louisine was there, we were holding it back. Though we had lots of information that he has lost touch with the people. And we were actually reassessing about what to do with the constituency. Because of the ZPA results also was very bad in this constituency. He was not available to the people of the constituency. And there was a lot of negative feedback about him in the constituency. But he is a senior leader, so we could not really, take it head on. But there was a lot of people, aspirants, who were interested, who are interested, and who will be interested in that constituency.
That's our time, Tony.
Mr. Raman, is there scope for any tie-up between the TMC and the Congress in the future?
See, when the baby is still not being born properly and not being named properly, how can I get into all these things? And Congress is a strong old party here. Somebody new coming in, how can we even talk of an alliance? We don't even know who they are, what the intentions are. Are they part of some other game plan? So we can't talk about all these things. It's too, and I don't think that is being considered at all. That will not be under consideration.
Louisine took
Mr. Calero also said that he has suffered in dignified silence for 4.5 years. So what kind of dialogue has there been between the party and him to allay his concerns, if at all there were any?
I don't know. I think he had given a statement 2 days back that Congress has done nothing. He doesn't have any complaints against the Congress. So
But
I
he
do not
also
know.
spoke about suffering in silence.
So you should ask him, because he is the one who's been doing tapasya. So what was the suffering?
And
How
also,
was he suffered?
also one more thing that you're just months away from assembly elections, and it's very easy for anyone to think that out of the 5 MLAs you have now today, one has resigned, and that the Congress may appear weak. So do you think?
I don't think so, because if you see what's been happening the last, say, 6 months, the people who are joining the Congress party are workers, are programs, everywhere there's enthusiasm. There is a lot of people in every constituency. There is a competition to contest to get our tickets, and the party is been on the ground. We are working, so I do not feel that these things matter, and I think sometimes these kind of events actually gives us more energy now, because these kind of events actually gives us something more to prove, and we will prove ourselves.
So this is not a setback in any way.
I think it's sometimes I think it is a blessing in disguise. I would say that.
गिरीश
It's a
बाबा
blessing in disguise.
गोवा फॉरवर्डा वांगडा युतीचे खंय पावला तुमचे म्हणल्यार आसा कितें प्लॅन काय कशें कितें
See, as far as alliance issue is there, this issue was deliberated at the national level, but I don't have mandate. We don't have mandate. It is the mandate of Dilipji and Chidambaram ji, who will reveal what exactly it is at the appropriate time.
Are you expecting any more defections like this?
See, in the Indian politics, during elections, many things like this happen. People join, people leave, all these things happen. But I don't expect people like Mr. Luizin Ferreiro to ditch. I know many people can join and leave. It happens in politics for certain reasons. But what I'm amazed is, and actually more than me, I think, if you look at the social media and see the responses in the social media of Mr. Luizin Ferreiro, if he himself sees it, I'm sure, I think the truth lies there. But what people are feeling about Mr. Luizin Ferreiro's resignation. So it's shocking that such a person will do it. Other people, I mean, it happens in politics. That is there. But whatever it is should be based on certain principles. It should be based on certain ideological reasons. So it should be based on actual facts. This doesn't seem to have any of that.
सर क्या आईपैक महागठबंधन कर सकते हैं क्या सर?
I don't know. IPAC is not a political party.
In your speech, 4 to 5 times you mentioned about VRS scheme. अशी पद्धत आसा काँग्रेसीन VRS दिवपाची.
See, there's something called Margdarshan Mandal, and that Dilipji had given one interview to one of the English newspapers long back, that he will assess the performance of everyone, and if required, some services of some leaders may be taken through Margdarshan Mandal.
Did
Mr. Luizin Ferreiro complain to you all about any trader or formalin trader or something like that campaigning against him in his constituency?
See, we have been fighting against formalin since the issue
arises. There is a complaint,
and we have been fighting to have that lab in Fathoda, which the BJP government had promised, but they have completely compromised on the formalin mafia. Congress party was the only party which we fought. Even we went for the testing of the formalin in the SPDA market, but that time also Luizin Ferreiro did not come to support us. Our in charge that time was Dr. Chella Kumar. He himself was present, but Luizin Ferreiro did not come even for that protest against the formalin.
Did he raise that issue with you all, that somebody is campaigning against him? Did he raise that issue with you all?
No, with me he is not raised anything.
No.
2-3 दीस जाले तुमचे लिडर सिनियर लिडर्स बी सगळे प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेवन नाराजगी व्यक्त करता कित्याक तांकां सायडलायन करता म्हण तुमी लीड करता म्हण तांकां खंयच्याच डिसिजनान तांकां विश्वासान घेयना म्हण तुमचेर हें केलां.
Your question's answer was there today. Who was with Luizin Ferreiro during at the speaker's place, and who was attending his press conference. So, तांकां Luizin Ferreiro बरोवन दिवन प्रेस आनीकूय थोड्यांक ताणें इन्स्टिगेट केलें प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घे म्हणून आमच्या पार्टीचे अगेन्स्ट, बट तांणी तांकां थोडें विजडम आशिल्लें, थोड्यांक तांकां सेल्फ हें आशिल्लें, सो दे डीड नॉट गो टू द मिडिया. मेनी ऑफ देम टोल्ड अस that Luizin Ferreiro is pressurizing them to join from Congress and to issue the statement against the Congress party. This was never expected from the person of the stature of Luis Valero. That दाखले भुरग्यांक तो instigate करता, resignation दी. Doesn't make any difference to us. It's open and shut case. Today it is completely open. जे कोण press conference घेताले, ते रस्त्यान आशिल्ले. आणि resignation as a format, same format. So गोंयकारांक हें सांगपाची गरज पडना. So आमकां हें खबर आशिल्लें कितें जातलें तें. आमी पळयताले.
गिरीश लास्ट 17तले 4 MLA तुमच्या वांगडा आसा सध्या. ते उरतले तुमच्या वांगडा काय तेवूय वाटेर आहा?
आता इलेक्शन ऑलरेडी दिनेश बाबान सांगला इलेक्शन टाइम आसा. आनी
Thank you.
How many people have resigned? How many resignations?
two general secretaries not active for last 2 years.
Don't go now.
And we will send you the resignation copy. And then one block president.
Sir,
Mr. Rao, I want to ask you one question. Since that Mr. Valero had quit the party, will it be easier for you to declare chief ministerial candidate ahead of election?
These are our own party issues. Okay, I can't discuss this. Thank you.
Thank you.